Haha, welcome back. I did adjust my mic there. Today on Amazing Adventures of Knobs Mcgee, we're gonna get hit by that because I'm amazingly good at this game. Just you know, constant reminders like that so you know how good I am. Oof. I forgot that was a... Nope, it's not this way. I have horrible memory on these early places. Like, extremely bad memory. Oh. Just gonna poke him. Sorry if I go quiet with those. I get really focused and I sometimes forget that I'm actually recording. I hate this place simply for these things. That and the fact that they take they have reduced damage. Okay, that was nice. Takes generally 3 hits from this thing though. Okay. Completely ignore the fact that was rolling just then. You know, I almost thought there was another one right there and I was about to try to jump and hit it. If I believe correctly, I hate jumps like this. It's not fun. If I remember correctly, this is the way I want to go. Ow. Crystal mote ring. Halves effective focus usage on fatigue. I mean, sounds good with me. I didn't. Mouse? Thank you for taking 20 years, mouse, to change sides. Ow. Oh no. DPI issues. Why my... This is one issue I always have. I don't know if it's the mouse. I'm literally just kind of a compilation of me dying to this boss. There's literally the last bit of the video before the outro is just gonna be my deaths. Nope. You know, cause fuck that. Because, you know, what did I get? Conduit of Mind? Almost ran right into that. But, you know. Actually, I know what's over there. How you doing, good sir? That's good to know. Oops, aren't there? It's right there. This should be the Kuromi. Nope, that is not that. Haha. That actually almost hit me. This archer's gonna... I was about to say he's gonna hit me one of these times. Really, mid-sentence, he's gonna hit me some of these times. I love when they're aiming one way, but the arrow just goes, no. Go fuck yourself. I'm gonna hit you. No, no, no. Oh, that's for later. No, it's down the... There we go. Pouch of salt. Nice. Thinking of my next move. Oh no, I missed. Yeah. Out. Get in the bin, as kids these days say. Hey, you. Yeah, bat. Over here. No, this way. Here we go. Oh, please want me. Okay. I hate being around just this area in general when you have those things. That was amazing. What I just said, yeah. I hate being in this area, particularly. Okay. Thank you. This is... Yeah, this is the walnut. Just a giant petrified walnut. Not taking your oath, fuck your oath. Tree of skill, I have 2 skill points. What was I gonna do with these 2 skill points? More stamina. Dex. My mouse keeps locking up and it's so triggering. Oh, I need a key. Oh, well, you know, gotta go fucking stab a man in the ass. Now, don't we? I don't know what the fuck. Alive? Up. You know, I heard him last second. What is in this chest? Leather. Actually, is that better than what I have? Can't even wear it. Oh, cause it's heavy. I'm lightly retarded. It's okay. Which one of these? Mouse. Stop. This is what I have to deal with. Like my mouse. I guess if I move it too slow sometimes it'll want to keep staying slow, and it's just very, very annoying, especially when you're trying to play a game where you gotta move your mouse a lot. Ooh, see this little Kendall Barras? Kendall Barra? What, fuck it. He sounded like he said, oh shit. No, no. Fuck. Okay, fuck off. Fuck off. Okay, I hate the scythes. I hate the scythes. Especially when the lightning's coming around. Warhorn. The horn of fucking Gondor. No, wait, that's the wrong one. What? That's a thing? Okay. Finding out things I did not know. So apparently 2 right clicks, then a left click. 1, 2. That is cool. I didn't know that was a thing, honestly. should be a black pearl. Yep. And this should be a key, mossy key. Ha ha ha! I know what things are here. Not really. I'm forgetful. See, you're actually supposed to go this way, not the way I was trying to go originally. Except you're not gonna see that till like near the end of the video. Because, which I mean, I was thinking of just going till I got to a boss, but I'm not even in like 25 minutes yet, so. I hate these things. I truly do. I hate them with a burning passion. It's not because they're hard. It's just because I have the most retarded, like, hit thing ever. They'll pounce you. Then, as soon as you get up, as soon as you can do anything, they'll immediately start attacking you. And well, before you can even do anything, actually. And this just makes me want to cry. Oof, I'm back to my hearty rolls, boy. Wrong thing. I got 4 levels out of that, actually. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking these videos might be too long. Maybe that's why people don't want to watch them. You know? That could always be a possibility. That, or I'm just entirely shit. And nobody decides to tell me. That is always a possibility. I don't even know what I was leveling up. I just went into a line. Oh, we're breaking 20 minutes. So, Link of Fire and Sky. If I remember right, that's the ring that nullifies elemental imbalance. While I'm waiting for that thing to respawn, actually. I was about to say, while I'm waiting for that thing to respawn. If you're gonna do like lightning and fire, that's a pretty good ring, because it like you can be casting a bunch of stuff, and if you cast something too much, depending on which it is, if it's fire, it'll be like emulation, kind of, from Dark Souls 2. I say from Dark Souls 2, that's the only one that I can remember it's in. And I haven't casted too much to get the other one, because I haven't done like lightning or anything that much, except for my main character, but yeah, I'm gonna cut it at that, because 11:25 p.m. and I'm probably gonna be editing up for another, a couple hours. I don't even know if this is gonna be in the video. Might be, might not. Which this is gonna be cut down quite a little bit. Maybe 10-15 minutes. Oof. That's worth the thing. Oh, and I don't have any buff items now either. Yay! Okay. Nope. Ah, shit. Come on, bait him into that. And nope. Ah, shit. Okay, I hate that attack. That's why I hate it. The range on it is... See that down here? That's gonna get me killed. But it's just oof, generally. I'm not even mad about that. I just... I'm just gonna rush past, see how that goes. Didn't work well going into the Village of Smiles. Okay. If that would have hit me, I would have been 7 colors triggered. I have to go fight a boss after this too. 7 colors triggered. Flask. because I'm good at this game, you know? Ah. Okay, bud. Okay, bud, they're, fuck yourself. Yeah, do more of those. Oh. Yeah, don't do any of those, please. Those are not nice. I really roll, like, too early, because that's like a... Okay. Healing saved me. I never realized he kind of like talks. People are gonna think I'm like nuts for saying that, but ow, okay. I couldn't move. What are you expecting?